Jane Elliott is a former third grade teacher who conducted an experiment on her students. Since we can't watch the whole video, I will show you specific parts with captions that may expand your understanding of this experiment. At the end of the video, there will be a few questions that I want you to reflect on for homework. So the first part here, the teacher is going to ask the students who in the US are mistreated. Students are aware of the answer.
Is there anyone in this United States that we do not treat as our brothers? Yes. Who? The black people. Who else? Absolutely the Indians. And when you see...
In the second part, the teacher is going to start the experiment about discrimination and segregation.
The teacher and I have blue eyes. I think maybe the blue-eyed people should be on top the first day. I mean, the blue-eyed people are the better people in this room.
Here, she recreates segregation and racism in her classroom.
The brown-eyed people do not get to use the drinking fountain. You have to use the paper cups. You brown-eyed people are not to play with the blue-eyed people on the playground because you are not as good as blue-eyed people. Well, the brown-eyed people in this room today are going to wear collars so that we can tell from a distance what color your eyes are.
The teacher now switches roles for the students. The blue-eyed students are now the restricted ones.
Yesterday we were visiting and Greg said, "Boy, I like to hit my little sister as hard as I can. That's fun." What does that tell you about blue-eyed people? The brown-eyed people may take off their collars, and each of you may put your collar on a blue-eyed person.
This is the end of the experiment. Students gather around the teacher in order to discuss it.
Should the color of some other person's eyes have anything to do with how you treat them? No. All right, then should the color of their skin? No.
I will now give you a few questions that I want you to reflect on for homework in your journals.